Sarah was not looking for another job. She was staring at a family photo from a birthday that she had missed, wondering how many more moments her paycheck was going to cost her. If you've ever felt grateful for your job, but deeply tired of what it takes from your life, well, stay with me, my friend, because this story may feel a lot like yours. Sarah is in her 50s. She is dependable, she's hardworking, and she's the person everyone counts on. She gets up, she goes to work, she handles what needs to be handled, and she tells herself that she should simply be thankful, and she is thankful, but she's also very tired. She wants to be more available for her family. She wants the freedom to travel occasionally with her grandchildren, and she wants to stop checking the clock every time life happens during working hours. She's not asking for a mansion or an overnight miracle. She would love to create an extra $500 a month. That could just mean breathing room, choices, or fewer moments decided by her work schedule. Then came another family celebration she could not attend. She watched part of it through her phone from a quiet office. Everyone understood, and no one made her feel guilty. But sitting there, she realized something. The paycheck was helping support the people she loved, while the schedule attached to it kept taking her away from them. That was the moment that Sarah stopped asking, "Can I survive this schedule?" and started asking, "Can I learn another way?" She searched online, but every answer seemed to create 3 more questions. One person told her she needed complicated technology. Another said that she needed to post all day. And then someone else made it sound like that she needed to message everyone that she knew and convince them to buy something. Sarah had tried things before that left her feeling pressured, confused, or behind. She did not want to chase family and friends in their inboxes. She did not want another program that gave her information without a direction. She needed a calm place to begin, a legitimate skill that she could learn, in a simple structure that she could build one step at a time. Here's what I want Sarah and you to understand, my friend. You do not need to become a technology expert before you begin. You do not need to go viral. You do not have to have a huge following. And you do not need to build 10 different things at once. Start with one person you understand and a problem that you can speak honestly about, and learn one simple digital skill. Then connect your content with that one simple system that gives people the clear next step. The system can be as simple as helpful content, one invitation, a page where someone can learn more, an email follow-up, a supportive community where they do not have to build alone. The goal is to not do random posting. The goal is to build a connected digital foundation in a few focused hours, repeated consistently. For Sarah, beginning did not mean quitting her job the next morning. It meant choosing a direction. She began learning how content can help the right person feel seen. She learned why every post needs a purpose and a next step. She began organizing her ideas instead of letting them live in scattered notes or unfinished tabs. Little by little, technology stopped feeling like a wall, and it started feeling like a tool. There is no guaranteed income result, my friend, and there is no honest promise that it's going to happen overnight. But learning a real skill and building a real system can create options that waiting never will. Sarah was not chasing a number just to say that she made money online. She was building toward more yeses. Yes to those birthdays. Yes to every weekday appointment that she needed to go to. Yes to visiting family without begging for time off. And yes to being present whenever life happens. That is what presence over paycheck means to me. It does not mean money is unimportant. It means income should help support the life that you value, not quietly replace it. If Sarah's story feels familiar, I want you to understand you're not too late, my friend. You're not too old, and you're not too far behind to learn something new. You do not have to have the entire path figured out today. You just need one clear direction and one faithful next step. So comment ready below and tell me that one moment that you would love more time for. I read the comments, and your answer will help me create the next video that you need. And I'm going to leave you with this, my friend. You know, God loves you, I love you, and I will see you on the next video.